You know, Christmas is here. People are searching for holiday songs every second, and channels are cashing out. They are cashing out with simple Christmas music videos. Today, I'll show you how you can create your own Christmas music just by using free AI tools and upload it to YouTube, even if you don't sing. And here's a sample I created with only free AI tools. Just watch this video.
The stars are shining bright. The world in waiting stands for heaven's perfect light. A child is born this day in manger low he lies. The King of glory wrapped in love before our eyes.
We bow in wonder, hearts surrender. Peace fills the air.
Did you like the video you just watched? I told you you would like it. You can also create these videos. Now I will hand over to Auntie Devi to take you through the entire process step by step. Let's get started.
There's this channel I chanced on YouTube and it's doing exactly what we are going to talk about in this video. Just simple videos, and the channel is monetized, and you won't believe how much this channel is making on YouTube. This is the channel I am talking about. You can see the first video on this channel was uploaded a month ago, and the first video went viral. And then other subsequent video also went viral on this channel. You can see all the videos are doing extremely well on this channel. Now, when you look at the number of subscribers that this channel has gained so far over the past 4 weeks, that is over 30,000, that is 35,000 subscribers on YouTube within the space of 1 month. And you can see the average earning on this channel and the average view gain so far. So I'm going to show you how you can create these videos. These videos are simple videos that you can all create. So look at this video, for example. It is something that you can all create. So I'm going to show you how to create that within some few minutes. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is to generate your Christmas video idea. So for you to do that, we are going to use AI, and that is ChatGPT. So open to ChatGPT and come to this section and enter your prompt. I want to create Christmas carols for my music channel. Give me a list of Christmas music titles that I can create. So I'm going to click on the generate button for ChatGPT to give me music ideas. Okay, so you can see ChatGPT has given me 50 music ideas, and I'm sure by the time you finish exhausting this 50, you should be able to monetize your channel. So all we are going to do is to ask ChatGPT to generate the lyrics for one of these titles for us. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to highlight this one like this and attach it to the prompt. So write the lyrics for "Oh Holy Night Has Come" and hit on the generate button or the command button. So now that we have our lyrics ready, the next thing we are going to do is to generate our music. We are going to use Suno AI to do that. So if you don't have Suno AI, just register with your email. So come to your browser like this and type Suno AI music. Then choose the first link like this. Now come to this section where we have create and click on the create button. Now on Suno AI, if you don't have lyrics, just click on the simple button like this and type your music title here. Suno will generate the lyrics for you. But if you already have your lyrics, then click on the custom button like this and paste your lyrics here. So what we are going to do is that we are going to ChatGPT and copy our prompt. So this is a prompt. Copy it and paste it in Suno AI. Click inside the box here and paste your lyrics here. Now the next thing we need is our music style. We don't have the music style, so what we are going to do is to ask ChatGPT to give us the music style. So generate a Suno AI prompt for me. So we're going to hit on the generate button for ChatGPT to generate the prompt for us. So now you can see ChatGPT has given us the style of the music, the mood, vocals, tempo, and instruments. So all you have to do is to copy the prompt like this. Just copy it like this. Go back to Suno AI, come to the style section and right click inside, click on paste to generate your music. Now the next thing you need to do is to add our music title here. So this is our music title. We're going to copy it like this, and then we'll go back to, we come to the section where we have the title box and then paste our title there. When you're done, click on the create button to generate your music. All right, so our music has been generated for us. You see, we have two options here. We're going to play both to select the best. Okay, so click on the play button like this and let's see.
Waiting stands for heaven's perfect light. A child is born this day in manger low he lies, the King of.
All right, so I think I'm going to go with the second version. So what I'm going to do is to download this music to my computer. So come to this side where we have these three dots and click on it like this. Then bring your cursor down and click on the download button and choose the MP3 format. So you're going to click on it like this to download this. So you can either use your phone or use your laptop to do this. Okay, so don't be worried if you don't have a laptop, you can still use your phone to do that. So now that we have our music ready, the next thing you're going to do is to generate our background images. So for the background images, let's come back to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give you image prompt for this music. So we're going to hit on the generate button for ChatGPT to give us all the prompt that we need for this song. So we have 10 image prompts for this song. So what we are going to do next is to start generating our images. So we are going to use image FX to do that. So go to your browser like this and type image FX here. Then choose the first link. Then let's go back to ChatGPT and copy our first image prompt. So this is the first one. We copy it like this. And then go to image FX, come to this box, right click inside and click on the paste button here. Then hit on the generate button to generate your first images. All right, so this is the first one. This is another one. This is another one. Okay, these are the images for this video. Now let's go back to ChatGPT again and copy the second one. We copy the second image prompt, go back to image FX, right click inside and click on paste and then click on the create button. So let's generate the third image. Click on the create button. So these are the images that we have generated so far. So to download this, bring your cursor down here and click on the download button here and download it. Then you can also do the same thing to other images. We can download all the 4 options, or if you like, just choose one. But I'm going to download all the 4 options and do the same thing. Now, if you want your previous image, you can use the arrow here, come to the top here and use the arrow here to go to the previous image. So this is the previous one. Let's go through it and select one. So you select this one, click on the download button, then go to the next one. We go through the images again and select one. So I think I like this one. So I'm going to click on the download button here to download this one too. So now that we have our images downloaded to our computer, the next thing we are going to do is to animate our images. So to animate our images, we are going to use another AI tool, and that is Grok AI. I've made a video demonstrating on how to use Grok AI so many times on this channel. So to access Grok AI, come to your browser and type Grok AI. You just type Grok AI in your browser and click on the first link like this. Then when you open to Grok AI, look for Imagine. If you're on phone, if you are using the phone, click on create video, but if you are using the laptop, click on Imagine. Okay, so click on Imagine like this. Then you come to this section. It's also applied to the phone. Just come to the down part on the phone and click on the attach button. This attach button, tap on it like this and click on upload file to upload the image that you want to animate. So these are the images that we want to animate. You're going to use this one, tap on it like this and then click on make video button to generate your video. While it's still generating, you can click on the back button at the top here. Can you see the back button? Click on it like this and then click on the attach button again. Click on the upload file to upload the second image to animate. So let's animate this one. Click on make video. If you have any video prompt you can use, but if you don't have any specific thing that you want it to happen in your animation, then just leave it to generate the animation for you. But if you want specific thing, you can ask ChatGPT to give you the video prompt. Okay, now we're going to click on the back button again and do the same thing. Click on the upload file button and then click on the next image you want to animate like this. All right, so these are all the animations I've generated so far. We can tap on it to preview it. So this is the first one, or this is one of the animations I generated. So we can tap on it to play and see. Wow, this is nice. This is so nice. Okay, so we're going to tap on it and then come to this side and click on the download button and download this to your phone or your computer. Then you do the same thing to other animations that you have generated. So we're going to tap on this one to download the animation. So now that we have downloaded all our video clips to our device, the next thing we are going to do is to merge all the video clips with the music that we generated using Suno AI with any editing app of your choice. So in this video, we are going to use CapCut to do that. So open to CapCut, click on create project, then click on the import button to import all your video clips. We tap on it like this. We are going to select all and import it to CapCut. Click on the open button. So now the next we are going to do is to put or arrange everything on our timeline. So to do that, we are going to first drag the music to our timeline. So just tap on it like this and drag it and drop it on your timeline. Okay, then the next we are going to do is to arrange the video clips on the timeline like this. So we're going to arrange it. Just tap, drag and drop it on the timeline. Okay, and drop it on your timeline. So what you are going to do is to duplicate this animation, but if you are doing this for YouTube, then you need to generate a lot of animation. Okay, avoid a lot of duplication in one video. Okay, but for demonstration purposes, we are going to duplicate this animation. Okay, like this. Just select all the clips like this, right click on it. So we're going to click on copy and then right click here and click on paste to duplicate the clips on the timeline. So the next thing you are going to do is to trim our audio or our music, but if you are creating it for your channel, you don't have to trim it. You have to make sure you get enough video clips to match the entire video. Okay, so we are going to use the arrow here, drag and pull it to the left to match the video clips on the timeline. Then we're going to bring our playhead here. Now you notice that the animation or the video clip that we generated has an auto sound or background sound that came with it. So what we are going to do is to bring our cursor to the left here and click on the mute track button to mute it, and then also do the same thing to the second track so that we only hear our music sound, not other sound. Okay, so what you are going to do is to play the video to see how it looks. So I think it's fun and I'm so much in love with it.
Now, when you finish polishing your video, click on the export button to export your video to your device. Now clap for yourself. What do you think about this video? Share with me in the comments, like this video and subscribe.